Hey guys, it is me, Chanduka PMC, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the player inventory manipulation as well as adding arguments to our commands. So before we begin, I'd like to say that I'm finally going to retire this project and start a new plugin, and it's going to be for the kits episodes. It's going to run for a few episodes as you can add a bit more to them each time. Now I'm going to say is I'm not going to do the whole plugin setup from scratch and everything. I'm going to speed that up as well as have the episode numbers, like which episode they're from, in the top left corner or bottom or anywhere on the screen, just to make it easier. So yeah guys, let's begin. Alright guys, I am back and we have basically set up the things to how I like it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a check for the arguments. So what we want to do is we want to say if and then brackets, and now we're going to use the string array of args here. So we're going to say if args dot length is less than 1, which means if there's not a single argument after the command, what do we want to do? Well, we'll send them a message. So p.sendMessage. I'm just going to say usage slash kit and then the kit name, just like that, and I'll do it in red as well. So chat color dot red space and then return true. Alright, so now we know that they're specified at least one argument, even though in Java arguments start from 0. So this is what an argument is. It'll be slash command and then args 0 followed by args 1, etc. Alright, so now we want to say if brackets args 0 like that dot equals ignore case and then the name of our kit. So for this one I'm going to do a wood kit first. So this is the general setup for it. Then you put your stuff here, but you can also lock special kits to people by adding in permissions by coming over here and typing in and p dot has permission kits dot wood. So what this line now means is if the argument after the command is wood and the player has the permission kits.wood, what do we want to do? Well, we'll give them their items. So over here we did our casting for player. We need to do our casting for player inventory. So what you're going to do is you're going to say player inventory pi equals p dot get inventory, just like that, and import player inventory. So over here what we want to do is you want to add items to the inventory. So we're going to say pi dot add item, and this takes an item stack. So we say new item stack, then the brackets, and in those brackets we type in material dot and then whatever we want. So I'll give them wood and input item stack as well, and you can put comma space and then the amount of wood you want to give them. So I'll give them 5 wood, and I'll give them, okay, we'll copy this line. We'll copy this line and we'll also add a wood sword, only one of those though, and we'll give them a boat. So material dot boat 5 or boat 1. So then we'll say p dot send message you got the wood kit, and I'll do this one in green. Check color dot green space plus space and then return true, just like that. So now we've successfully added our kits. So what I can do now is I can actually copy this whole thing and paste it down here. Only we change in the if args.length equals ignore case, we're going to change that to another kit. So I'm just going to do stone and I'll do kits.stone, and then over here I'll take in material.stone and then material dot stone sword, and then I'll give them an anvil too. So yeah, even though that's not really part of the stone kit, but yeah, what's wrong? I think we're a curly brace too short. Yeah, there we go. We were just a brace too short, but I'm not sure why. Okay, but anyways, that's the fix. Just add in another brace there. Alright, so now that we have that, what else I'm going to do is in the stone kit, I'm going to make them get a helmet as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to do pi.set helmet, and then we'll give, oh, not that, we'll set helmet to material dot bedrock. That's bedrock, same thing, bedrock. So we set their helmet to bedrock, and what's wrong here? Oh, it has to take in a new item stack. So new item stack, material dot bedrock. Gotta add in brackets here, and there we go. So this, oh, comma 1. So this will give them these items into the inventory, as well as put this item in their inventory. And one other thing we can do, which I'll do in the wood kit so it doesn't feel left out, is pi.set held item slot. We can set it to, say, we'll just do 3. So what that means is if they're in slot number 1 on the inventory and they get the kit, they'll automatically be set to slot number 3. Sorry about that. So that's that for that. And one other thing we're going to add is a clear command, like to clear their inventory. Alright, so to that, what you want to do, you want to type in if cmd.getName.equals ignore case. You guys know how to type in the command, and because it's already a clear command, I'm going to do empty. And in there, all we want to do is do pi.clear. And I'll send them a message, so p.send message, you just cleared your inventory. Chat color dot green, and as this is the last thing, we don't add a return statement there. We add it when we return out of this. Alright, so that's all for the kit code. What we're going to do now is we're going to register the stuff in the plugin.yml, and you guys know how to do that, so once again I'm going to speed it up. So yeah guys, be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and one thing that I want to point out as well is in the commands, what else we can do is we can also say aliases and then put in aliases for our commands. So instead of kit, we'll say we can use k, and instead of empty, so aliases, we can use e and QWERTY, just something random like that. So yeah guys, I'm going to export this. I suppose I can just show it because it's nothing really possible to test it in the console, so it's fine. So it's going to be kits.jar and finish. So let's open up Finder, desktop, BukkitCoding, testing server, plugins, and kits is there. So let's double click start server.command to start it up. It's just taking its time. Alright. So now if we type in plugins, kits is there and it's in green, so it loaded up fine. So we type in kits in the console, it says only players can use kits. So yeah guys, I'll be right back once I have my Minecraft open. Alright guys, and I am by the local server. So let's log in. And I think I'm not an op as well, so I think I'll be able to test. Okay, come on, log in. I might get it timed out. It's taking out. There we go, we're in. Slash game mode 1. No. I'm about to die, guys. Phew, that was so close. Alright, so we'll do slash time sets 0. Okay, 9. Same thing. So I'm in op now, so let me just come up here and change my game mode back to survival and de-op myself. So if we type in slash kit now, it says I do not have the required permissions. And as we didn't do, we can try one of the aliases, so slash k and slash QWERTY. Okay, that just cleared my inventory because I didn't add any checks for it. So we'll see if it works by grabbing this TNT up again and doing slash QWERTY. And it does in fact clear our inventory. So let me go and off myself. So op Gianluca Falconer. And now if I do slash kit, it says usage slash kit and then kit name. So if I do slash kit wood, it puts me, oh wait, it gives me my kits and it puts my hotbar selector thing in the third position because Java starts from 0, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and I thought it went 1, 2, 3, so yeah, so Java starts from 0, so you technically only have 8 slots in your inventory, so yeah, that's that. And if we do slash kit stone now, we get bedrock on our head as well, and we also get our items. So if we do slash E to clear our inventory, it doesn't clear our armor because what do you call it? Helmets or hats rather, like they're called in the popular servers, register as a helmet. So yeah. Oh, this is my old testing place before I did the video. So yeah, so it doesn't clear our helmet. There's a way to do it in the code. So we do pi dot to get all of the available arguments. You will see it and you will be able to do it there. So yeah guys, bye bye.